Hello, my name is Lily and welcome back to my channel. Here we do mostly makeup, beauty stuff, but sometimes I throw in some other stuff, like stuff about crystals. Today I was inspired by my new evil eye earrings, and then I have my evil eye bracelet, and I have an evil eye belly button piercing. It's a little dramatic right now, but I saw this super cute makeup look on Instagram, so I think I'm gonna do something a little bit like this. Of course, to start off, I'm just going to go with a blonde brown for the eyebrows, and then I'm going to go in and do the eyes. Now that the eyebrows are done, I'm going to go ahead and set my base, and then I'm going to start by doing just a blue in the crease and then cutting it. So I'm going to do the eyeliner now. She does a black, a light blue, a white, pretty much all the way up to the cut crease. I don't know if I want to do it that thick. We'll see. But then she does the evil eyes on the blue. Now that the cut crease is done, I'm going to start doing the evil eyes. Evil eyes are on, and so I'm just going to go in with these blue eyelashes on top. Lashes are now on, so to start the face, I'm going to go in with this HD primer and my foundation. I'm now going to go in with a little bit of an orange shade to color correct my dark circles, and then I'm going to conceal, contour, highlight, set, the whole shebang, blush. We'll see. For lips, I'm gonna go in with Lolita by Kat Von D. And then I'm gonna go over with this Bear With Me NYX. It's a gloss and it's actually cannabis sativa seed oil. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
What are you doing?
Today we get another feature from Viserion since he wanted to act out in his cage. What are you doing, bud? He's denied his last, 4 rats we've tried to feed him, so I'm not very happy with you. But it's mating season, and I know he wants that snake. You know what I mean? But, I just want you to eat, bud. Just so you have energy and you feel good, and I know you're good, but no. Also, I got a boot. Yes. Thought I was gonna get a cast, but they were like, no, it's not broken bad enough, so you don't need surgery, so we're just gonna put you in a boot. And I was like, you know what? Good, because you can take a boot off and wash it, and you don't have to sleep with it on, and I didn't have to sleep with anything on my foot last night, and it was amazing. But anyways, enough nonsense. That is all for now. Goodbye from Viserion and I'll see you in the next one.